I'm going to apply the 4 colours of the Insights Discovery model to the working environment and see if anything rings true for you. Let's start with fiery red. They are bold and purposeful. They like their environment to be efficient, clear desk with goals that are easily seen, probably some useful gadgets and tools around you. Be as efficient and as organised as possible with minimum distraction. To stay energised and focused, sunshine yellow is much more likely to need positive motivators around them. They're likely to change their space to keep things bright and fresh, and to put motivational quotes on the wall, keep things upbeat. Maybe they like some music, anything that gets them in the mood for getting things done. Earth green is looking for a comfortable and meaningful environment. They're more likely to put in a comfy chair for someone who visits to sit in, some plants, photos of people who are important in the same way that red was putting up goals. Cool blue is looking for calm, quiet, so they can properly concentrate on what they're trying to do. Order, system, process, an environment where everything is in its rightful place so you know exactly where things are when you need them. Everyone is a combination of all 4 of these things, and we don't always have the power to control our environment completely if we share that space. So if you need the environment to be adjusted and you don't have complete autonomy about your environment, you can always make small changes to personalise your space. Look around you, see if your environment is working for you, and if not, make some changes.